Hi my friends, today we model this part called by me with my rich imagination plug box. Yes, you see there are some interesting parts here or features. Here is, for instance, a small gap, or Luft. In German we say Luft, in Romanian also Luft. There is a Luft here because we want to bend this flange to be inside the contour. Another interesting thing is that this is from this face. This flange is part of this face. Okay, I want to tell you something very important. This week, which contains the day April 1st, 2021, the Inventor 2022 will be released. I'll keep you in touch about this subject. The drawing of our part is this. You see the part, the gap or Luft, and all the necessary dimensions. We start by creating this face by using dimensions from here and also here. Remember, 124 is the dimension overall. Let's start. Sheet metal, XY, and we draw some lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I keep pressed the left button of the mouse. I go on this vertical, back, up. I place on the same horizontal these 2 points. Then I apply the first dimension, which is 10. Home. This is the new scaled sketch. Dimensions 10, then 4, 12. This distance is 22. 20, 71, and now I project geometry y-axis, the y-axis. I make it center line, and I apply mirror. Mirror of what? Of everything. About this. Apply. Done. The inside dimension is 96. The outside is 124. We draw connection lines between the 2 sides. All these dimensions are placed in the drawing. We respect the drawing always. look. This is 124, 10, 4, 22, radius of 10, 20, 96. Now I place this window 10 from outside, 24 and 30. A rectangle with 30 tab, 24 placed with the midpoint on the center line and at a distance of 10. Fully constrained. We apply what is written here. Undimensioned contour radii are 2 millimeters. Fillet. All these corners by selecting both, not separately, lines. Okay, home. Fully constrained, everything in place. Finish sketch, F6. Sheet metal defaults. We disable the thickness from the rule and we apply our thickness, which is here. Yes, 2 millimeters. 2. Okay. Face of this, not this. There are two close contours here. Okay. Now I turn the part and this manner to select this face for a new sketch. I also project this and I take a look at the new face. The new face is this one with both circles here. Another face. Dimensions are here. Be careful, this line goes to the center. 20, 16, radius 8, diameter 8, diameter 24, distance 24, and 44. All are dimensions in our drawing, and 45. I draw a line from this point to this point, another line up, then an arc, a restart from this point to somewhere here, here, up, horizontal, vertical connection. Coincident this line with this point. 20 degrees. Radius 8. Distance from the bottom of 16. 44. 45 from the bottom. This is 4 and this is from the bottom 5. Fully constrained, yes? Where are these two? 4 and 5. They are here. 4 and 5. There is a cut here. It results. Now I apply fillet of 2 between these two lines, and here I cannot select both because this is an arc, this is a line. So I select them successively. Yes. A small circle of 8, a large circle of 24. The distance from the left, from the bottom, is 24. And the placement is with this vertical, not this vertical. When you see these lines vertical, this means that they are horizontal. We have to consider everything this. This is the vertical, Y is vertical when Z is present, and when X is present, Z is vertical. This is the strategy of Inventor, of Autodesk. So I apply horizontal, this center with this point. Finish sketch. Face this, not this, not this. And to inside. Yes, the arrow is to the inside. Okay. Good. F6. I don't like this F6. I like this one. I click here, and a procedure you know, set current view as home, fit to view. Now if I move this and I apply this home or F6, I have this presentation. Good. Next is this flange, which has only a dimension of 8 because the other results. Don't forget the hole. This is the face, line from here down, keep the left button pressed and go to this point, and here you see 2 marks of tangent, 2 marks of parallel, and horizontal is this line because of the situation. 8 millimeters from the bottom, not from this. 8. A circle of 8. Finish sketch. Face this, not this, to the inside. Okay, now we have a possibility to check, to verify by creating flat pattern. What we see here, we see a perfect concentricity between this and this. Yes. Go back and we go to a flange. This is a flange. Yes. And the distance is 24 from end to end. Let's apply this flange by selecting this edge. Flange of 24. Okay. F6. Next is the other flange. If we take a look here, we see the flange, but this is not a line, but a contour. So we have to create a face, not a flange like before. Dimensions are right here. 16 is the distance from the top. And I have to project this circle to apply an arc for this contour. Good. We turn the part. As you can see, we create a sketch on this face and we draw lines. One line, two horizontal and back up. Then we project the circle and we apply an arc but let me apply split here, make this both construction line and now an arc from this point with a third point here. Distance is 16 from the top. 16. You see, this is collinear with this without any other constraint because of the offset. Apply fillets separately because there is a line behind. Separately all of them. Finish sketch. Face to the inside. Okay, the distance is, let's measure it from here to this line, is 24. Okay, F6. Now we apply the two holes, these two, which are dimensioned here, 3.3 diameter and distance of 32 on the center of the circle. We create a new sketch, we draw a line of 32, horizontal line which is vertical, 32, midpoint of this line to be in the center of the circle. We place 2 points at the ends of the line. Finish sketch. Hole. Where is the hole? Here is the hole of 3.3. Okay, other holes are here. Yes, and you have to observe that they are through all the part, not only a face. 28 with 12 are dimensions, diameter of 4, and we don't have here another dimension to consider that these are not through. Yes, we see very well that they are through. Good. 28, 12, diameter of 4. This is the face, line, 28, the same vertical now, no, horizontal, because X is horizontal, Y is vertical. So I place on the same horizontal this midpoint with this midpoint, and a distance of 12 on the other direction from the bottom. 12. 2 points, 1, 2, finish sketch, and hole, not 3.3 but 4, and through. You see, they go through all the part. Okay, now I apply mirror of everything excepting the bottom face, bottom feature, which is a face. I apply mirror, selecting from the second feature, keep pressed shift and select the last feature, then the mirror plane, which is this. Okay, now we go to the back face, this one, which can be presented better here, yes, with that gaps or lufts. Let's do this bottom face. We turn the part, as you can see, we select the face and we project geometry to apply an offset of 0.1 millimeters. Offset 0.1, and the same here, 0.1. If you want to have only one parameter, escape, double click on one of them and select the other. Okay, when you change one, the other is automatically changed. We draw now a line from this end on vertical, which is really vertical, an arc 90 degrees, and then we go to the other end, another arc, and back to this very end. Good. Vertical is this line. Tangent is this line. These two are equal, and the value, the radius, is 8. Distance from the bottom is 18. You see this here. 18, 8. Now we create this, but we take advantage that this 8 ends on this cut. You know this cut from the moment of start. This is. Dimensions are here 10 from external line, and here is 8 from internal. Also 34 is from internal, not external, both. We have to take care here. So I'll verify 8, but I don't place 8 as a dimension. Look here. Line from this point, I cannot apply vertical because of the great proximity with this. I cannot do this. You have to try. Horizontal, and now right here. Yes. Vertical is this line, vertical is this line. And let me show you what is this dimension, 8. Yes, I don't apply this dimension, but I apply this one, 34, and fillet to be sure we place it the same and the other, and line from the end of the new arc, horizontal, this end, vertical is this line, and vertical is this line, but look at a distance here. Vertical is this line, and collinear are these two at 34. Fillet here. 4 dimensions needed. We don't have any dimension needed, but only constraints. Look here, apply, and tangencies and other things. If I apply remove, nothing is removed. Yes, done. Finish sketch. Face of this to the inside. Okay, and now we have a nice corner here with everything. We have the face, the same face for this. F6. We apply material, which is aluminum, and let's see what about the properties. I property, update, we select the volume, copy, and we place it here to verify. Double click here, enter, and paste the same value. Cancel. Home, and this is the part, my friends. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.